Hi guys, this is 3D Shamrock channel and my name is Florin. Today I'm gonna show you another World War II very known vehicle. Is the Kübelwagen or the bucket car. It has also steering. Now let me show you how I did this. First I had to find a good blueprint for the vehicle assembly. I could clearly see the dimensions, the wheelbase, the track, the seat dimension, and others. And I used Fusion 360 to model this vehicle. I inserted the side view, the top view, and the front view in the working planes, and I start designing the vehicle components. The body first, then the wheel, the tire, rim, and hub. In the rims should be fitted 604 bearings. Then I designed the wings, front and rear, then the stub axles for the steering, the front axle, the rear axle, the front underbody, the bonnet and the dashboard, the seat, headlights, a small steering column, the steering wheel, the night light, and the windscreen. I had to remodel several times some parts for being easy 3D printable. I start 3D printing the vehicle components, the body, rear axle, front axle, stub axles, the wheel components, the underbody, the wings, the seat, and all the other components. First of all, I assembled the front axle assembly. I use a copper wire as a track rod. Keep in mind this distance, the track rod length of 48 millimeters. I assembled the stub axles on the front axle with metric 3 screws. And this is the front axle assembled. Then I assemble the parts on the body using glue. The rear axle, the front axle assembly. These are the components for the wheel, the tire, rim, hub, and the 604 ZZ bearing. All the plastic components will be glued together and the bearing will be pressed inside the rim. I used also sandpaper to correct the 3D printing imperfections. This is the body with the wheels assembled. And then I use glue to assemble all the other small components. The front wheels, the night light, the seats, the steering wheel, and the spare wheel. I glued it on the front bonnet. And this is the product, the final model. In the previous video, I shown you how I modeled a Jeep Willys. You may see here the two vehicle models, one near another. They are both at the same scale, 1 to 20. If you like this model, you may download it for free from my Mini Factory 3D Shamrock library. Please like, share and subscribe, and also consider supporting me on Patreon and on my Mini Factory. You have my Patreon link in the description. See you soon with another project.